Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss Cbse class 9 maths NCERT maths textbook chapter 1 number system part 11. In this chapter we are discussing the exercise 1.2 and in this video we will learn about the question number 2. So first question we discussed in the previous video. If you have missed it, please get back to it and try to understand. So now let's read the question. Are the square roots of all positive integers irrational? Okay, positive integer, square root of a positive integer, is it irrational is the question. Okay, if not, if it is not irrational, then give an example of a square root of a number that is a rational number. So they want us to find out if it is going to be irrational or a rational number. So they are telling that, is it irrational? We are going to say if it is yes or no, and then we are going to give an example if the answer is going to be no. So square root of all positive integers, can it be irrational? No, not necessarily. It can be rational or irrational. It can be in any way. Okay, because if I say about the square root of 2, then it is going to be an irrational number. If I am going to take the square root of 4, it is going to be 2, which is going to be a rational number. So this is what we need to remember. So the answer is what? The answer is no. And for your example, you have many answers. Okay, you can take simple numbers, the basic numbers like square root of 4 is what? 2. And then so you can take square root of 9, which is going to be 3. You can take square root of 60, which is going to be 4, and so on. You can take any simple number and then write, and you can finalize telling the square roots of all positive integers are not irrational. So the examples are this, because all these numbers are rational numbers. All these numbers are rational numbers, and there are even possibilities of it being a irrational number. Is it clear, children? But you can say that the square root of all positive roots are real. Okay, all positive roots are real, but negative roots, it is not real. So this is one thing which you can understand from this question. Okay, so you can say that square root of positive integers, okay, they are going to be what? Real. Okay, whereas the square root of negative integers, they are going to be imaginary, or they are not going to be real numbers. So be very careful whenever you come across the word real numbers. Is it clear, children? So we are done with the first two questions. We have the third question which we will discuss in the next video. Okay, see you again other video, children. Thank you, children.